Hi friends, good morning. Welcome back. Are you also manually doing a sample data for your any projects like this? If yes, then stop your hard work. I'm having a smart solution for this. First, start a website, Mocaro. Here, manually you can give any field names or else you can click on generate fields using AI. For example, I am entering any um, student attendance. Click replace existing fields. Here also you can mention how many fields you require. Let's wait. See here. Student ID, name, age, email address, gender, attendance date, etc. All required fields automatically generated. Again, if you need any more fields, then you can click on add another field. And also you can change the type, field type, options. Lot of options is there. You can change the date also from which date to this date and click on preview to check the data. See here, all names, everything came with all required data. If it's okay, and maximum 1,000 rows we can generate with this basic plan. So click on generate data. Let's see how much time it will take. Tan-tan, done. Now click that file. Excellent. See here, we got maximum 1,000 student data with all required details. If you need any changes in that field or any details, then you can go back to that website and then add another fields, or also you can remove any fields like email address, teacher name. Okay, for students email ID is not required. Okay, okay, like okay. Click generate data and your data is ready. Hope this tool is very useful for you. If you like this, then please give your valuable feedback in comments box. As always, thank you for your valuable time. Bye bye.